everyone. I am making this video to talk about the lesson, the activity that I would like you to complete today, since I'm not going to be here in class today. So I talked about this a little bit yesterday, this project that you need to do called Types of Chemical Reactions project. So open that up, and then each of you will have your own Google Slides presentation. So then open that up. And then what you're going to do on this slides presentation is you're going to add pictures to represent the chemicals for the different types of chemical reactions. So, in class yesterday we talked about synthesis, decomposition, single replacement, double replacement, and then combustion. And then I also showed you those pictures of different celebrities and politicians and things like that are going to represent the substances. Okay, so now it's your turn to do that. So if you look at this project here, all right, so here's the first page. And if you want to change the background, if you want to change the font, go right ahead. Now, for each of the types of reactions, I have our basic page of notes. And then I have an example. So this first one for synthesis was the Obamas. So then on the next slide, this is where you put in your celebrities or whoever you want to put in there. And like I said in class, it doesn't have to be romantic couples. It can be anybody. It doesn't even have to be people. It can be objects. So you would do synthesis, so put your pictures in there. Decide who you want to be in the pictures, do a Google search, find the pictures, and then place them in the slides. Now, for the second one, this is one that you're going to do as a group. So you're not going to be working on this one today. So it's just the pictures, either the celebrities or the objects or whatever it is. And then when you get to this group one, this is where you and people in your group are going to do this. All right, and then decomposition, we know that that's the split up. So Mariah Carey and Nick Cannon, that was my example. So then you do one of a split up. All right, single replacement. All right, so there's my celebrity example. Once again, showing you it doesn't have to be a romantic couple, it just has to be people together. And then you do one for the single replacement. And then double. Now this was where both partners swap. So we talked about this one with the Clintons and the Obamas. Once again, doesn't have to be romantic couples. I mean, these here, Hillary and Barack Obama, they're just in a picture together. Or it doesn't even have to be people. So this is some kind of cartoon. Now, for the last type of reaction, combustion, we don't have a relationship parallel with this. So with combustion, just find some picture of burning or some explosion and put that in there. Now, something else. And if you want to open this up, you can see how it's going to be graded. It's going to be a lab and project score. But one thing I want to point out is that I will give you extra credit if you do family members for one of the slides. Okay, so you'll get 4 points extra credit. So, mom and dad, grandma and grandpa, they would love to be in a synthesis picture, okay? Or if you want to do you and your brother or sister or something like that. But no, just family members in one of the pictures. Now, that's not the group picture. That would be one of the four. You'll get some extra credit. So something to think about if you'd like to do that. Okay? If you have a question on this, I will be checking my email and things throughout the day, so just post a question on this. Now, in fourth period, Miss Boyd will be there to help you, and then actually seventh period, Miss Boyd should be stopping in there and answering any questions because she knows about this project. All right? You guys have a nice day. Let me know if you have any issues.